Hi everybody, it's Diana with Stamping with Di. Welcome to my YouTube channel and this week's Teach Me Tuesdays episode 258. And I'm going to do a really quick video because my last couple have been long. And I want to share with you the Friendly Seagulls Class in the Mail kit. Because I just have a couple left over and those are ready to go out this week. So I thought, you know what, I'm just going to pop in and show you these and give you a chance to get them. Now, I am in the USA, so I'm in Santan Valley, Arizona. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. Like I said, I'm in Santan Valley, Arizona. My name is Diana, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. So I can only sell in the USA, and I can only ship in the USA as well. So that's why I just want to make sure that you know that right away, because I have quite a few viewers that view from out of the United States, and I love that. I have made so many friends over the years being a demonstrator on going to different events, doing the incentive trip. I have met people from all over the world. So I love it that you view my channel. But in regards to ordering in the classes, it is USA only. So yeah, so I just want to show you those projects and go over that, the class details, because like I said, I just have a couple left over and they're ready to go. I am in the chat room during the video premiere. So head on over there. That's where I'll be with a bunch of my friends. And if you have any questions, ask there. But if you are watching the replay, no big deal. Just leave a comment down below and YouTube will let me know and then I can reach out to you. Now, usually I put the supply list under the video. Now, this one is a little bit different because this stamp set was a celebration stamp set. So I'm not going to put the supplies down below because you can only get this stamp set, you know, from my class right now, unless you have it already. But I know I'm starting to like blab, right? So let me turn the camera so we can get started. So just close your eyes for a second while I do that. The blabbering, whatever, when I get off topic. All right, so this is the class. So you'll get the Friendly Seagulls stamp set, and you're also getting a pack of the Sunny Day Iridescent Dots. And so you cannot switch out this class now because they're ready to go. Excuse me. And like I said, you have to be in the USA only. Now, this class is $50, and that includes, you know, what I just showed you, and it includes the supplies to make these cute cards. Now, here's the first card. This is such a fun set. And now you'll get your, you know, all your paper. You know, you're going to get your, you know, your little embellishments I showed you. You'll use your own inks. You know, your own blending brushes, because I did use blending brushes here. But you'll get the paper. This little die, you know, will be cut out in there. Same with the little sand pile. You know, that will be in there. You'll just have to, you know, I sponged on a little bit, add a little bit of color. You'll get the little clouds. If you have any questions, you know, but it's all ready to go. You just got to, you know, stamp your little guys, cut them out, because there is no die. I just fussy cut them out. All right, here's card number 2. Now, sometimes I use retired DSP. That's another reason why I won't have the supply list underneath for this class. Like this right here, this is some retired DSP, but it looks super cute with the seagulls. So I went ahead and used it in the inside. And you can see, here's the little seagulls are flying on the inside. But here, I turn it upside down, and then they turn into like waves on the water. So this is really cute as well. And you'll get that little twine. You'll get, you know, this die cutout will be in there. Same with these. Okay. Then there's card 3. The little guy, he's on the boardwalk. And I love you more than chips. So you have the word chips, French fries, you know, depending on where you live, you might say, you know, chips for French fries, but it's super cute. I love how he's kind of screaming. And then I just used a Stampin' Right marker to put the little exclamation points. So fun. So this piece will be already embossed for you, and it looks so cool with the wave kind of shape on there. So the $50 includes, like I said, the stamp set and the bling, the supplies for the 5 projects I'm showing you, and there's a PDF with the supply list, like that will be, emailed to you, and then there'll be a private link for the video, and then I will, do the video, and you'll be able to watch it and make your projects along with me. And then it includes a priority postage, the tracking. I don't think I missed anything. But here's the 4th card. And this actually uses that new sailing folder. I thought it worked perfectly here in the background because it looks like the waves here and the clouds. It looked really, really good with them, I thought. Hey, friend, I love you more than French fries. So cute. All right. And then the last card is this one here. So, hey friend, I love you more than French fries. Now you could leave this, you could just go, I love you more than, and leave it plain. Because maybe you would, make a personal note on there. But I just finished them up with the cute little French fries and more little birds flying in there. So you'll get your twine, you'll get the little dies there to stamp your fun little seagulls on. This one here, I stamped them like this one here. They're stamped directly on the die, so it's just flat. I stamped them directly on the die here, but you'll get an extra piece of paper, and I stamped them again, and then I just cut out the wing and put on here, and then I just kind of folded it up a little bit just to add a little 3-dimension, but it also makes them go out of that die shape. So they look super cute. But the rest of everything is just stamped, directly on there. This one I fussy cut out. This little guy I fussy cut out too. And so did I with these guys. But this is such a cute set. And again, so this is it. This is the Friendly Seagulls. It is a photopolymer. And then you have, so this isn't available anymore. And then I want to say the Sunny Day iridescent dots. I think those are also unavailable, so don't hold me to it, but I think they are. So anyway, so you will get all this. Now, of course, these are just the finished projects. They won't be stamped for you. Nothing is stamped. But I think they turned out so stinking cute. I don't know what is my favorite one. They all are adorable. They all have their own little personality, I think. All right, so let me say, yes, I got shorts on today. And look, I'm wearing Jeff's old football top from high school. Oh, we don't throw anything away. Oh my gosh. But so yeah. So if you have any questions at all, make sure you let me know. Again, I just have a couple left over. USA only. It's $50. I can send you the PayPal link. I think that's all. If I did forget anything, please forgive me and ask below, and I can reach out to you. But yeah, I love how this turned out. All right, so I'm gonna stop blabbing. Again, I wanted to make it be not too long one, because I've done a couple long videos here recently. But yeah. All right, so I'm gonna stop blabbing. I will see you Friday for my Dies shorts, and that will be at 3 o'clock Arizona time, same channel. Have a great rest of your week, and I'll see you Friday. All right, bye for now.